how to write long captions on Instagram post. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you write long captions on your Instagram post. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open Instagram app on your device. So simply open the Instagram app. Alright, so after you open the Instagram app with your login account, you'll got such interface. So now from here, to add an Instagram post, you'll have to just tap on this plus icon just at the bottom. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now from here, you'll have to move with the section post. So simply swipe left and go the section post. Okay, so from the new post section, I will choose this one. Alright, so after you choosing the post, you'll have to just tap on this next option just at the top right corner. Alright, again tap on next from here. And now from here in the add caption section, you'll be able to add a long caption for your Instagram post. So you can copy the long caption from anywhere and you can also paste that caption from here. So this is the easiest and simplest way to write long captions on your Instagram post. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.